Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to review a nice asset low poly shooter, and this asset is actually very nice as per FPS, and it has very nice effects, so I want to share it with you. Low poly shooter pack, and the version we are using is 4.3.1 version, and the Unity version we are using 2021 LTS version. So I tried Unity 2022 version, but that has a lot of bugs, so I will recommend that you should use 2021 LTS version unless there is not unless the new LTS version will be released in near future. So let's create a project and let's see how the asset will be in our project. Okay, at this stage we will import the asset low poly shooter pack, and usually the students ask me a lot of queries about the errors they are facing, so I will recommend that the right versions should be used for some assets. So whenever I made a video, I always mention that which version of Unity I am using and which version of that specific asset I am using in that specific video. So be careful while using the versions, because a lot of versions are actually buggy or as per Unity, or maybe not supported by specific assets. So it's very important to be careful while using the versions, Unity versions and the package version. So we will import the asset. It will take some seconds. Okay, at this stage we will click on import, because the current settings should be according to our package, and we will click on install upgrade. So it will take some seconds. Okay, at this stage we will just click on yes, because the system is using, the project is using new input system package, and we have to click on yes. It will restart the editor. Okay, so let's wait for some seconds. So when the editor will be restarted, and now we will again import the asset. Okay, so this happens for certain assets. So if the settings are not accordingly, the Unity will do the settings, and then it will restart, and then we have to import the asset again to the editor, and in this time it will be imported successfully. So let's wait for some seconds. Again we will click install upgrade, and in this time we will just click on import, and it will import the complete asset. Okay, so now the asset is imported, and let's see how it will look like. So here you can see that we have the Infamia games, and here we have 3 folders where we have the tools related to editor, etc. And definitely on the top you can see animation rigging is there, job is there, and these belongs to these tools. Third party editor tools are also there, and then we have low poly shooter pack, which is the main package. In code folder we have lot of code here, scriptable objects here, we have the interface, we have the instructions, we have the demos, and we have lot of things, character, and we can actually open any script and we can customize the script accordingly. So it's very flexible flexible code base for this, and we can actually edit it. We can also access the documentation, and then we can see what we can actually customize within the package. And definitely if you like this package, you can comment in the description. I will make other videos where we will learn how to customize the characters, how to customize the guns, and a lot of other things. So here if we go to scenes, you can see we have the scenes overview, we have the demos, scene content overview, we have some pre-made demos where we can actually check out the things. So I will just make it bigger so that you can see it in a better way. Just make it bigger, and the thing is the animations are very beautiful, very smooth, and you can see the gun animation you can see, and if we jump you can see the jumping animation is syncing with the gun very nicely, and if we walk you can see, and if we press shift and walk, run, you can see the gun animation change accordingly, and the shooting behavior is also very nice. You can see, yeah, you can see, and the gun variety is also very nice. So if we scroll wheel, press scroll wheel, we can change the gun, and you can see the zooming of the gun is also very nice and beautiful, and you can see that we have the destructible items as well. You can implement in the game. Definitely you can play with the behaviors and change the particle effects, etc. So here you can see the lot of guns with nice scopes, okay, and you can see there's a lot of zoom and a lot of guns, and you can see the animation, beautiful, okay. Yeah, you can see type of nice animation, and if you press R you can see every weapon has the different type of animation for the reload and other things. You can see, yeah, okay, and these are the pistols, and if we move further to guns, every gun has different type of animation. You can see this one, and this one is also same, but some guns, for example this gun has the different type of animation. So it's very nice, and the animation syncing is very nice, and everything working absolutely good. So you can definitely use this package for the for your games, and you can see this type of gun as well, and this gun has totally different animation, and you can change the guns, you can change the vectors, and you can do a lot of things over there. And that's it for this assets overview. If you like this asset, must comment in the description. I will make more videos how to do the further things with this asset. Also you can see the but definitely you can, for your own game you will customize everything. That's it for this video. Goodbye.